Good morning. I'm presenting today on Rocky Mountain-tailed frog, a unique amphibian limited in Canada to southeastern BC in Inamakastanaka. The project ran from 2014 to 2018 with my colleague Jared Hobbs. Prior to 2014, tailed frogs were known only from two main areas in Canada: the tributaries, the west side of the Flathead River, and the Yak River area in the South Country, where we're focusing today. The Yak River drainage distribution was based on visual surveys that were completed by Linda Dupree and Pierre Friel in the early 2000s. They involved literally crawling up creeks looking for tadpoles and frogs. As you can imagine, they're very good at hiding and easily missed. Visual surveys are notoriously high false negative or not detected results. So we turn to environmental DNA methods, because DNA cannot hide in the water. I direct you to our paper with the link at the bottom here, but the main result was that we documented Rocky Mountain-tailed frog presence in several new drainages. These include Elmer Creek, the only tailed frog population in the Moy River drainage in Canada, Gilnockie Creek and tributaries, including in the provincial park. This is the only occurrence in Canada in a formally protected area, and Upper Teepee Creek. Note that new wildlife habitat areas developed by this work adopted an area-based approach rather than the riparian buffers used in the original 2004 WHAs. I can discuss reasons for this later if anyone's interested. Rocky Mountain-tailed frog has a small global range limited to the inland northwest, primarily in Idaho and northwestern Montana. In BC, they are blue listed and identified wildlife. Federally, they're listed as threatened by both Kasiwik and Sarah. Some more on tailed frogs. These are a very unique amphibian. They branched off in ancestral amphibians some 150 to 200 million years ago in the Triassic. Have several anatomical features and adaptations that are found in no other amphibians. They are small in size, variable in color, totally tied to small mountain streams and adjacent riparian habitats. They're long-lived, slow to develop. Tadpoles have a modified sucker mouth that attach to cobbles in the fast-moving water. They don't metamorphose until their third or fourth year. Even then, frogs are not reproductively active until they're 7 years or more. This is wildly different life history from other extant-derived frogs. Threats are primarily anything that impacts water quality and quantity. Sedimentation that fills in the interstitial spaces between stream cobbles and eliminates shelter from flood events and security from predators. Water temperatures, very important. So removal of riparian forest cover can raise stream temps to deadly levels. Climate change has the potential to exacerbate all of these aspects and presents a significant challenge to tailed frogs. Increased temperature or drying out of streams would be lethal to this species. To sum up, Rocky Mountain-tailed frog is an excellent indicator of headwater stream condition, an ancient species dependent on cool, clear water resulting from intact riparian zones. This is a species that has inhabited North America or its predecessors for at least 150 million years. My main recommendations for us to consider today, therefore, is effective riparian management, including forestry, cattle management, and recreation. Anything that impacts water quality and quantity is very important. Finally, I'll throw this out there. There's little mining activity in the South Country beyond some minor exploration work. However, there are numerous mineral tenures. I would suggest we consider South Country as a mining-free area compared to much of the rest of the region that has a significant amount of activity in history. Thank you.